Come. Okay, boy, good son.
Boy, oh my god, boy. I didn't think the 18s was gonna look this good. I really wanted the 22s, but that's a big old shield. That oh shield. I don't know what they be doing with their. Oh, don't mind the bird poop. Man, it be sitting so good now. It's a little loud in the shop, but look, you gotta love Chevy. They match up perfectly to the hub, because obviously the bolt spacing and the back spacing and the bore spacing is all the same. Well, not back spacing because it's actually out more. Oof. Ooh, look at that. It's freaking money. Look at that. Sits in there perfectly. Stock wheel lugs. Same thing all the way around. Look at, oh wait, not that one. I already put that one on. But yeah, it fits. I'm actually surprised, man. You gotta love Chevy, dude. Oof, it looks so good. And it rides so much better. So we got 265, 65, 18, all the way around. Tires is, oh, what? I'm about to get smart on you real quick. I'm about to break this thing out. What we got? That's about an 8. That's about a Salem. That's about a Salem on that motherfucker right there. You know what I'm saying? All right, so these came off of well, this was a marketplace find, but the guy told me it came off a 2021 Denali, but the DOT number said that was false. I mean, so the car may have been a 21, but these tires is 18. And they're good that I got so hyped I put them on, but then I didn't balance them, so I took them back off and I balanced them. Everything's fine within actually they all didn't need anything. I even road forced it. These are like 9 pounds and those about 15, and I think another one's 18 pounds. But man, this thing, bro, you have no idea. Because I was looking at getting some new tires for the other 16s that I had. And those are like $700 if I was gonna get like a Milestar Patagonia, which is like the cheapest ones. But for $700, I get some news. Some fucking news. Yeah. So I still got the exhaust leak. I don't care. But I need to get the covers and I need to get some caps. But that's about it. Other than that, these things are fine. You see right there, DOT 2018, and they're square all the way around. And these tires aren't even that expensive. You got no holes, no patches, no bends, no nothing. Bro, I'm gonna just go. We got the sunset, and I got some Chick-fil-A in the cup holder. Boy, man, it sits so good now. Like, I'm so pleased with how everything turned out, and they fit exactly perfect. The center bore spacing, or the center bore circumference or whatever, so I don't need no adapters, no rings, no nothing. And look at the rear tire, sitting perfect. The rear tire sitting perfect. Go ahead and give it the front tire. Oh, come on, power steering pump. You can make it. There it goes. We got the front tire sitting extra perfect. We got the trans cooler, no leaks. We still got that. We got no leaks on the trans cooler. Oh man, what is that? Oh, that's pretty dope. I want one of those. But that's it. So that'll be it for. Like I said, I was gonna get some new tires, but man, this is, that remote control car thing is pretty dope. I need to get one. I really want to get one. of a two-door Tahoe. But yeah, I'm gonna go get me some food, and at least I wanted to put this video up to put this on there because I've been out here like crazy, but we got more stuff. Just look at it. Ooh boy, look at it. All right, so this is just gonna be a real short little video, but more suspension stuff and more cool stuff, and maybe even a sound system to come. So I hope you like it. I like the way it sits now. I'll see you guys in another video.